Hello guys, welcome to unboxing video for Loot Crate December with theme called Explore. And we definitely gonna explore this box. So let's start with the loot bin. Loot bin is very cool looking. It's actually small spaceship. And I have to say, this is going to be very nice for my conducting suit. I don't know how to call it precisely, but it's a really cool thing. So definitely gonna wear that soon for actually sci-fi concert we have in 14 days. So let's start also with t-shirt, which is from Destiny. And I know there is a lot of controversies around Destiny 2, but unfortunately this time we are kinda getting used to gaming controversies. EA, Battlefront, Activision Blizzard with Destiny 2 and more and more and more. I really, hope that at some point we kinda start with normal gaming again. I started playing Stronghold some time ago, and damn, it's such a good game. It's an old one, but good, really good. Anyway, back to unboxing. So this is the Destiny t-shirt. I think it looks really cool, and I'm definitely gonna wear that tomorrow. Hopefully. So next thing, we have something special. It's a 16-month calendar from Guardians of Galaxy Volume 2. I have never have 16-month calendar, which also makes kinda sense since the box basically just came and it's already like almost 1 month after. So this calendar looks really cool though. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but it's definitely really cool. And there will be pictures inside for sure, but I'm just gonna keep it like this, Not that it's just like, collector stuff, but yeah, I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna watch it. Anyway, next thing is Star Wars comic book. And I'm like, what? I've never had Star Wars comic book. Check this out. Star Wars Adventures. And it says in the back cover, a long time ago, the planet Jakku is littered with countless rebel and Imperial shipwrecks. But one vessel has long eluded discovery. When the Imperial Star Destroyer Spectra reveals itself from its sandy grave untouched after decades buried, renowned scavenger Rey leads the race to claim whatever supplies might remain within. Perils abound as Rey descends inside Ghost Ship and learns just what and who caused the Spectral to crash headlong onto Jakku. So cool. This means it's, I guess, before 7th episode. Cool. Open or not open? not expecting this to be like, collectible, like some first editions of Spider-Man or something like that are. But still, it's cool. But I wanna read it, but probably better to read it on internet and safe. Keep it safe. Keep it hidden. Huh? And after that, we have what was actually really funny. I bought ice cream, and I was like, oh, I don't have, like, scooper for it. So I was like, well, let's buy some. And I didn't find it at the store I was in. Next week, this box came, and guess what? We got Twisted Metal Ice Cream Scooper. Looking like this. The main thing is, it's official licensed product. And if we open it, guys, it looks actually really funny. Check this out. This is really cool, I have to say. Like, it's funny. I have never had like a scooper. I didn't even know it's called scooper. Now I know. But this is really cool. This is really cool. And when I eat ice cream again, I will definitely use this. And that's really something I like about loot crates, especially lately. That, yeah, of course, we were getting the t-shirts every time, and I always had problems with t-shirts, especially like when I wanted some cool t-shirt. That was a problem. But now I have so many t-shirts, I can't even wear them all, which is awesome. But the thing is, I got this spray bottle, and Doom shot glasses and stuff like that, and that's awesome that we are getting stuff we can actually use. Not only I collect as statues. By the way, no statue in this box, which makes George really sad. But yeah, this is what I really like. I like collectibles, definitely. But also, when I can have something cool and actually use it, awesome, awesome. Thank you very much. And that should be actually it. After that, we only have the loot checklist. What is actually, surprising for me, no comic with not comic, a magazine with informations about your stuff. I didn't find it. If it's inside the Star Wars, but I don't think so. Not that, like, you need to explain, but it was always awesome that there was some story behind the stuff. But I guess because it's December, everyone was, like, really busy. Also, that's why probably it came later. That they just went, skip December, we will just put stuff in, do the loot checklist, and, we will do magazines when we have time. Which is completely fine. But because I'm getting also loot wearables, or loot t-shirts, or loot socks, I have to get those also. And loot underwear, I was trying twice, and stuff like that. I got something really funny this time. And I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna use that. I actually will at work. Check this out. This is really, really funny and really cool. I knew this will be coming because they started putting something, reveal of one thing you will get in the box. Which is cool. Which is really, really cool. I like it. And this time it was this. Check this out. It's Deadpool slippers. This is really, really cool. I love it. You know, it has even bunny ears. It's so cool. This is absolutely awesome, and it's even XL, so should be for my big foot, you know. So this is really cool. So you will be surprised, but for me, the winner is definitely the scooper from the box, and also these slippers, because these are really awesome. So that's it, guys. That's it for this episode. If you like what I do, and I know I didn't do unboxing for a very long time, and I was doing, vlogs, but yeah, I know I'm some kind of all over the place, but it's personal channel, and my main channel, which you should definitely check this out, is the orchestra channel at Prague Film Orchestra on YouTube, and that's like the main thing. Well, not the main thing, but that's where my main work is, as far as conducting and stuff like that. We are really behind with videos, but it's small team doing these videos, and doing the whole orchestra. These videos is just me, but we are trying to get as much music we can on that channel. We just released One Helsing, if I'm not mistaken, so yeah, definitely check that out. And please, if you like what I do in here, like the video and subscribe. I will be definitely glad. And guys, good news, I actually finally got my digital stand for, well, not basically replacing my sheet music stand, my musical stand, and I was playing with it. I don't know how I will show you though, but it's definitely really cool. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.